Hello guys, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok account private to public. So if your TikTok account is private, that means that nobody can see your account or even your TikTok content. So if you want to set it back to public, all you need to do is to go to your TikTok account. Then once you're on TikTok, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then on your profile page here, tap on 3 lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then on this pop-up options, tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, tap on privacy, the second option. Then on your privacy settings, below your discoverability option, you'll see a private account. So if this button is in green color, that means that your account is private. So you need to tap on this green button. Then from this pop-up option, tap on confirm and your account will be set back to public. So guys, that's how you can make TikTok account private to public. So hope you found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.